In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Philo subscription on Roku. Step 1. Press Home button on your Roku remote. Press the Home button or house icon on your Roku remote to go to the main screen. Step 2. Highlight the Philo app. Navigate to the Philo app using the arrow buttons on your remote and highlight it. Step 3. Open the Options menu. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the Options menu. Step 4. Select Manage Subscription. From the Options menu, select Manage Subscription to view subscription details. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Select Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice when prompted to see your Philo subscription billing. Step 6. Confirm cancellation. After cancellation, you will retain access until the end of your current billing period. Now, I have some additional cancellation methods for you. You can cancel via the Philo website if you have subscribed via the Philo website directly. You can cancel via Apple Play Store or Google Play if you subscribe through those platforms. You can cancel via Amazon or Best Buy if those were your billing platforms. And you can also go to the Roku website and cancel through there by going to your subscriptions. Now, I have some tips for you. Removing the Philo app does not cancel your subscription, so you will need to actually cancel it. Always verify your billing platform to cancel appropriately and keep confirmation emails for your records. And that's how you cancel your Philo subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.